Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Miranda Selahi. My student ID number is 5243240040. Here, I will review a journal entitled Salt Sensitivity and Hypertension. Enjoy watching all! First, we will discuss the journal identity. The authors of the journal are Olga Balava and Rigas G. Kalitzidis, published in 2020. The publisher is Journal of Human Hypertension. Journal focus on the dissemination of research on hypertension, including its pathophysiology, risk factors, and management. Its goal is to publish scientific articles that advance the understanding of hypertension and related cardiovascular conditions, with an emphasis on translational research and clinical studies. Content. This paper discusses salt sensitivity and its important role in the development and pathophysiology of hypertension. Salt sensitivity is a phenomenon in which blood pressure changes with salt intake and is more common in older adults, women, blacks, and individuals with chronic kidney disease or insulin resistance. The paper also describes the underlying mechanism, emphasizing renal dysfunction and abnormal response leading to sodium and water retention. In addition, increased peripheral vascular resistance due to impaired nitric oxide synthesis contributes to hypertension in salt-sensitive individuals. Recent findings suggest that sodium may accumulate in the skin, affecting blood pressure regulation. Although the mechanism linking skin sodium, salt sensitivity, and hypertension are not fully understood. Although salt sensitivity plays an important role in hypertension, its application in routine clinical practice is limited by the lack of a simple and reliable diagnostic test. The subject of this journal research is the investigation of salt sensitivity as a physiological and pathophysiological trait affecting blood pressure, regulation, and development of hypertension. This includes exploration of the mechanism underlying salt sensitivity and associated genetic, molecular, and epidemiological factors. First is analyzing data from epidemiological studies to understand the prevalence and heritability of salt sensitivity. 2 is establishing a reliable method for diagnosing salt sensitivity. And next, conducting experimental studies in animal models to investigate the response to salt intake. Next, identifying genetic variation and molecular mechanisms that contribute to salt sensitivity. And next, exploring sodium accumulation in the skin and its relationship to salt sensitivity and hypertension. Next, linking salt sensitivity to clinical outcomes to improve patient management strategies. Studies have shown that salt sensitivity affects approximately 30–40% of hypertensive individuals and approximately 25% of normotensive subjects, with higher prevalence among older adults, women, African Americans, and CKD patients, and insulin-resistant individuals. Genetic studies have shown a modest genetic association, or 30%, with gene variants in the REAAS pathway and salt sensitivity individuals have an abnormal renal response with excessive sodium retention. Despite advanced particle diagnostic, tests for salt sensitivity is still lacking. Recognize the role of salt sensitivity, emphasize the importance of dietary salt reduction and tailored treatment strategies. Journal shortcomings are although salt sensitivity in hypertension is recognized as important, its clinical application is limited by the lack of an easy and practical diagnostic test. Then, advantages of the journal are the journal provides knowledge on how to manage hypertension with salt sensitivity. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.